príncep apareixi per venjar la mort del seu pare.
Sí, dona, el príncep de Dinamarca, el protagonista de l'obra de Shakespeare.
Més que drama, tragèdia.
Tragèdia,
Hamlet, el seu pare, va morir i la seva mare es va casar amb el seu oncle. Va, anem a una altra sala.
Vale.
Hamlet, your clothes are black like the night. Why do you still look so unhappy?
Do I look unhappy, mother? Perhaps I am happy. I can change my clothes, but I can change what I feel.
Try not to think about your father anymore, Hamlet. Let your eyes look on Claudius as a friend. Remember, all that lives must die.
Don't be sad, Hamlet. Your father lost a father, and the father lost me. That is everywhere. Think me as your father now. Come with me, don't.
Oh God, I want to die. How empty life is. My father, the greatest man in Denmark, has gone. And the man who's taking his place is no better than an animal. Oh, mother, why did you marry him? Break my heart.
My lord, we have some important news for you.
Horatio, good to see you. You've been away, haven't you?
Yes, my lord, but I came back to Denmark for your father's funeral.
Or was it my mother's wedding? Horatio, in my mind's eye, I can still see my father.
My lord, I saw him last night.
What? That's not possible.
We saw a ghost last night, my lord.
Where was it, and what was it like?
It was outside the castle, my lord. It was like the dead king, my lord.
I knew your father, my lord. It was him.
What was it do, and what was it there? What was it there?
I came near. It didn't back.
If it is the ghost of my father, perhaps you could speak to me. I must see the ghost.
Marcellus and I have seen it 3 times, my lord, at midnight or later.
Yes, my lord. Perhaps it will walk again tonight.
I meet you all tonight at midnight, outside the castle. Don't tell anyone what you have seen.
Well, Ophelia, I'm ready to go. You will write to me while I'm studying French, won't you? Of course, I will, Bertie. But before I go, I must touch you about Hamlet. Tell me the truth. Has he told you that he loves you? She's very friendly to me. That I'm present and... Don't believe him, Ophelia. He uses beautiful words, and perhaps he loves you now, but he doesn't really love you. Doesn't he? But...
Hurry, Bertie, your ship is ready to leave.
Yes, father, I'm ready to go.
Before you go, I want to tell you a few things. Give every man you hear, but few your voice.
I remember what you said, father. Now I'm ready to leave, so...
Neither a borrower nor a lender be. You will either your money or your friend. Above all, be true to yourself. It must follow as night follows days. Not be untrue to other people. Now, hurry.
Goodbye, father. Goodbye, Ophelia. And Ophelia, remember what I told you.
What did she mean, Ophelia?
We're talking about Hamlet before you come, my lord.
Yes, I have been worried about this. You spend too much time alone with him, my dear.
But he's very kind to me, my lord.
Kind? Certainly you don't think that he loves you.
I don't know what to think, my lord.
Ophelia, Hamlet is a prince. One day he will marry someone important. His fingers mean nothing. I want you to stay away from him. Don't talk to him anymore. Do you understand?
Yes, father. I won't see him again. I promise.
How cold it is! It's midnight yet, Horatio.
Yes, my lord. Perhaps we'll see the ghost soon.
What was that? Claudius is drinking with his friends, as usual. Sometimes he drinks all night, Horatio.
Look, my lord. Look. Here it comes again.
Are you good or bad? I don't know, but I will speak to you. King, father, answer me. Why have you come to the grave? He wants me to follow.
My lord, don't follow him.
Is that my lord?
You'll have an accident, my lord.
Leave me alone! I read the ghost of anyone who tries to stop me. speak to me and I will listen.
Hamlet, I am the ghost of your dead father. There is something that you must do, if you love your father.
I did.
Everyone thinks that it's killed me, but it's not true. The snake that killed me is gone. Where is my crown?
What? So the murderer was Claudius?
Yes, my brother. Will was sleeping, poison in my fear. He spoke my life, my crown, and my wife. Take revenge.
I will.
Remember,
Remember? How can I ever forget? Claudius will die. I won't rest until that day.
Se'm posa la pell de gallina. És com si el fantasma del pare del Hamlet estigui per aquí explicant-li com el seu germà el va matar.
El seu propi germà per prendre-li el tro.
El tro i la reina. Li va posar verí a l'orella quan dormia al jardí. Quan Hamlet ho va saber, es va trastornar i va voler venjar-se. Ningú tenia el seu comportament.
I la seva nòvia, l'ofèn.
El seu pare, Polon,
Well, Narcissus has left. I hope that...
Father,
What's the matter, my dear?
I have got a terrible surprise. Hamlet?
Now, my dear, I told you not to talk to the prince, didn't I?
Yes, father, but you come into my room.
And what did he say? What did he do?
He didn't say anything. He looked at me.
He didn't hurt you, did he?
No, father. He does. Stuck on top of me and Hemaya. He was shaking. Perhaps he...
No, my dear, it's worse than that, I think. Come with me, we must talk to the king.
My good friends, Rosencrantz and Guildenstern, I haven't seen you for years. What are you doing in this prison?
Prison, my lord?
Denmark's a prison.
surely not, my lord.
To me it isn't. To you it is. Why have you gone to the castle?
We will come to see you, my lord.
What do you mean, my lord?
Perhaps the king and the queen ask you to come.
When they have to target us.
It's not, my lord. They asked us to first.
Don't worry, I'm not angry. I know that they are worried. I've been unhappy for some time.
Why, my lord?
I don't know. Look at the world. The sky, the sun. But to me, it is empty and deep.
We are sorry that you are so sorry, my lord.
Don't forget that then is a play this evening, my lord.
A play? Good. Of course I'll be there. Now, my friends, I'll be alone. I have a plan. The play will be the truth of Claudius the King.
Gertrude, my love, Polonius and I have a plan. As you know, my lady, Hamlet is in love with my daughter. His love makes his mad, I think.
I hope you can help my son. Ophelia, my dear, if you love him, perhaps he will get better. I hope so, my lady.
We are going to listen secretly while Hamlet and Ophelia talk. We want to understand what's wrong with the prince. Hamlet will be here soon. Here, my dear, read this book. Then Hamlet won't know that you are waiting.
To be or not to be? That is the question. To go living, fighting against the sea of troubles, or to die and everything? Why be afraid of die? To die is to sleep, no more. Perhaps to dream? Yes, that's the problem. In that sleep of that, what dreams will come? Oh, beautiful Ophelia.
My lord, are you well? You give me some presents. I want them back.
I never give you anything.
You know that's not true, my lord. You sent letters to beautiful boys.
Perhaps
But now you have changed.
perhaps I love you once.
You did, my lord. You did.
But perhaps not. I never love you.
Please, don't say that.
The love is nothing, Ophelia. You must marry. If you have children, they will look stupid like your father.
What are you saying, my lord? What's the matter?
You women, with your beautiful faces and soft voices, aren't there any good women left? Ophelia, do you understand? You never must marry. I your life, not me, not anywhere.
What happened to him? He was a good, kind man, and he loved me.
Is he in love? Is he mad? I don't know, Polonius. But something is wrong.
Father, Hamlet done some terrible things.
You don't need to tell us, my dear. We heard everything. Don't cry, Ophelia. I worry, Polonius. Hamlet is the prince. He's an important man. If he also says strange things, he'll be a danger to all of us. That's true, my lord. If he leaves Denmark for a while, perhaps he will help them. Being in a different country will be good for him. I'm sending him away, Polonius. I'm sending him to England. Very well, my lord.
I've told you when the ghost said, haven't I?
Yes, my lord. Do you believe what he said? That Claudius murdered your father?
He told the truth, I'm sure. Listen, Horatio, the play is going to start soon, and watch Grateful and watch Claudius too.
Why, my lord? What's going to happen?
I will change the actress. I told the actress to change the place. Remember what the ghost told me. Claudius put the potions in my other father when he was sleeping.
And that's going to happen in the play?
That's right.
I watch carefully, my lord.
What play are we going to see, Hamlet?
A murder, my lord.
A murder?
Don't worry, mother. Only a play, but the true story. Here comes the actress.
Is that on play, my lord?
No, it's a show.
I don't like this play. Stop! No more! Stop the plane, now!
You see how we can better in here?
Yes, my lord. Now we know the truth.
I haven't forget the words of my dad's father. I will have my revenge. I will have the blood of Claudius.
Hamlet va matar Polonius pensant-se
¿Quién era Polonio?
El padre.
va, anem amb una altra sala. Ja. No. En una d'aquestes sales és on en Hamlet va matar en Polonius pensant-se
¿Quién era Polonio?
El pare de l'Ofèlia. Ella llavors es va tornar boja i es va ahogar al riu.
Una tragèdia.
Encara hi ha més. El germà de l'Ofèlia es va voler venjar de la mort de la seva germana i el seu pare i va lluitar contra Hamlet. Va, anem a mirar l'altra sala, va.
Anem.
Ask Hamlet to come and see you, my lady. I will hardly come the good time when you get. I want to hear what he says.
I can hear him coming. I know. Come quickly.
You want to talk to me? I see.
Yes, Hamlet. What was the strange play about? Your father is angry and worried.
What are you doing, mother? My father is dead.
Claudius is your father now.
I know Claudius better than you think.
I'm not going to listen to this.
Listen, I'm going to tell you the truth.
Help! What?
And guard, the queen is in danger.
I suffered him to the corner.
Oh, Hamlet! You killed him!
He's the king.
Polonius! No more, Hamlet, no more.
Wishes, my lord?
Yes, I found the letter, Horatio. From Claudius to his friend, the King of England. My friends are carrying it secretly, but I decided to read it.
What did the letter say?
You won't believe this, Horatio. It told the King of England to kill me.
So, Claudius killed your father and now he kills you because he knows the truth about you know.
That's right, Horatio. He's a dangerous man, but I will kill him first. And I will tell the world that he murdered the true king.
My lord, Laertes would like to have a sword fight with you, just a friendly fight.
A sword fight? Yes, tell him I play. That's good, Horatio. I like Laertes. I'm sorry that I fought him earlier.
Now, Hamlet and Laertes, shake hands.
We want you to be friends.
Laertes, I was wrong to say those things at the funeral. Please, think of me as a friend and a sister.
Very well, let's start.
Read their words.
And bring it the wine. If Hamlet wins, I will drink.
Ah, yes, Laertes. Hey, Laertes, take the short. There's poison in it.
But what if I can touch him with the sword?
Don't worry, I have a poison on Hamlet's wine. Hamlet will die.
Come on, Laertes. Let's start.
You win the first time, Hamlet.
Wait a minute. Drink, Hamlet.
Not yet. Are you ready, Laertes?
Well done, Hamlet. Do you want some wine? I come some.
Wait. Stop, Ophelia. Stop. Don't drink.
What's the matter, my love?
Come on, Hamlet. Let's fight again.
Shall I do one, my lord?
Wait, I don't know. The queen.
Come on, Laertes. You aren't trying.
My lord, there's blood in your face.
What's happening? Is he trying to kill me?
The queen!
Don't worry. She's all right. She will see it when she's good.
No, it was the wine. Oh, my dear Hamlet.
Ward, there's a murderer in here. Lock the doors. It's too late, Hamlet. You're going to die. There was a poison in this world, and in the drink, it was the king.
Well, Poison, do your work.
What? Help me.
Follow my mother into death. Horatio, I am telling you.
No, and I will die with you.
No, Horatio, you must leave. I want you to tell the truth about me, my father, and Claudius. No more words.
No. Good night, sweet prince. Rest now. The world will know the truth.
No voy a pasar ya cansado.
No.